Hello everyone, my name is Akash Tripathi, roll number 20ME30005, and this is my DIY project for week 4. And the project is I have to go to this Proteus software and use this Arduino DHT22 humidity and temperature sensor and to stimulate it. So already opened the Proteus and humidity and temperature sensor. We click on it. So this is the schematic capture of this temperature sensor, and this is the source code. So inside the source code I will first begin by writing pin mode, and I will select pin 13 as the output pin. This is, and after that I will go to this function and write a code which I have already prepared in the notepad. Copy, and here I will paste this. So this is the code, and I have selected the cases in which temperature, first of all I have taken temperature less than equal to 15, and in which there are two cases of humidity less than 25 and humidity greater than 60. And after that, if the temperature is greater than equal to 28, then this code will execute. So after writing this, I will go to build and build project. So it is compiled successfully, and then I will go to schematic capture again and go to the properties and edit properties. Now first I will take the humidity at 20% and the actual temperature at 10 degrees Celsius, and now I will play the simulation. So as you can see, it is blinking and staying there for 1 second. So that means it is working properly. Now I will stop this simulation and again go to the properties, edit properties, and now I will change the humidity from 20% to 70%, and then OK. Now I will again play the simulation and let's see. So as you can see, it is blinking for 0.5 seconds. That means our simulation is working properly. So this is the first project. Okay, now moving on to our next part of the project, and that is RGB common cathode LED. So I will open it. So this is the schematic capture, and first of all we will move on to the source code, and I will write pin mode and select 13 pin as the output pin, and then I will select this code and cut it, and in place of that I will my own code which I have prepared in the notepad. This is the first part of the wave, this is the second part of the wave, and this is the third part. The first part, the delay is 500 millisecond and 1000 millisecond, and so on in the second and third part as given in the question. Now I will build, go to the build and build the project. So it is compiled successfully, and now I will go to the schematic capture and run the simulation. Before running it, I will connect the D point with this, and I will run the simulation. So this is digital oscilloscope, and now I will change some settings in the channel D. I will switch it from AC to DC and select this at 1 millivolt and 1 millisecond to 200 millisecond. I will change this settings, and as we can see here, we are getting the pulse rates, and this is the first wave, and it remain on for 1 second. and this is the second wave which remain all for 0.5 second, and this is the third wave, and it remain on for 4 seconds, and so we are getting our desired output finally. Thank you.